Previously in episode 1, we unbox Funko Demon Slayer. If you miss it, watch it at the end of this video. Now, let's unbox Demon Slayer Pocket Maquette by Good Smile Company. This is the latest Series 4 edition Pocket Maquette set. Check out the box. It is Good Smile Company Pocket Maquette Kimetsu no Yaiba Series 4. There are 6 figurines inside this box. The box package is in black and white color tone, but the individual blind box is colorful. Let's see which figurine we will open first. Oh, it's Kanao Tsuyuri. Kanao Tsuyuri is a demon slayer. This figurine is her in the final selection exam. There are 2 options for her feet. One is sitting position, the other is standing. We choose the standing option. Attaching the base to the figurine. She is so sweet and pretty. Let's open our next blind box. It's Genya Shinazugawa. He is one of the 5 survivors of the final selection. Genya Shinazugawa is the younger brother to the Wind Pillar, Sanemi Shinazugawa. He is found in the Pocket Maquette Kimetsu no Yaiba Series 3. Unboxing the next blind box. It's Zenitsu Agatsuma. Similar as Kanao Tsuyuri and Genya Shinazugawa, his figurine is his look during the final selection exam. Check out Zenitsu Agatsuma in Series 1 Pocket Maquette set. We have unboxed 3 out of 6 blind boxes. What would this be? Oh, it's Kyojuro Rengoku, one of the 9 Hashira. He is holding a bento tray. In Series 2, he had a sword instead. Would this be Tanjiro Kamada? No. It's Akaza. He holds the position of Upper Moon 3. Akaza defeated Kyojuro Rengoku, but was stabbed in the back with a blade thrown by Tanjiro. Tanjiro Kamada is in his final selection exam. Loving the details of his injury and bandage on his forehead. There are 2 other versions of Tanjiro in Series 1 and Series 2. These 4 demon slayers come with their Nichirin blade. Kyojuro Rengoku has bento set. Lastly, Akaza is his first appearance in Pocket Maquette Series 4. Smash like and subscribe if you like our unboxing. Happy toy collecting!